Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to earn free money in Wise. So simply now if you want to add some free money in your Wise account, simply what you need to do, first of all create your account on Wise, and after that when you successfully sign up your account, after that add your payment method and verify your account. So once your account is verified and your payment method is verified, simply after that what you need to do, just as you can see on the left side there are multiple tabs available here. So here you can see earn 50. So simply just click here, and after that when you click here, simply as you can see this is invitation code. So whenever you send this code to your friend or someone else, and or like you share this code on social media or any social site, and when someone create account through this link, so 50 GBP will be added. Every 3 friends who transfer over 200 GBP, they will get a free transfer in up to 500 GBP. So in this way, when you invite someone to your Wise account, you can easily earn money in Wise. So it's depend upon your invitation, how much people you invite on Wise. So in this way you can easily add money in Wise.